Children, hope all are fine. We are going to the social health third part, okay, 10th standard. And you know that is the topic is internet, my friend. Then look at the pictures, you got it, okay. You know various crimes are taking place here, okay. That is called as cyber crimes. Okay, see the different crime password they are taking. We are using the password, okay, for many activities, and even the card is there. We are having, see, the card is there, and that internet, our ATM machine, the robbery is taking place. All these are coming under the cyber crimes. Here the coming points are there, coming the points. These points are for question number 2C and 5D answers. These are the points. Mainly by giving the pictures also they will ask. Otherwise the common question also can come for 2 marks or 3 marks. Say never disclose Aadhaar, PAN, credit card, debit card or any other personal information if demanded by any person. They will tell that I am calling from the bank manager, officer, from that department, this department and all they will ask, but please don't give. Okay, then after some time from your account money will go. Okay. Next, do not disclose ATM pins to any individual without any exceptions. In Mumbai, people, all of you know, your parents are using the pin. Even sometimes they will not tell you also because you are not matured that much. Therefore, they will not give that pin also to you. Then bank transactions are done using PIN without the knowledge of consumers. Without the knowledge of consumers, that is also not good. Always check for the quality of any online product while receiving delivery. Be wary of blatant duping happening in the online market. Okay, you will order something and to have a very low quality things you will get. That is also happening, cheating. Then hackers can easily obtain one's personal and professional information. Online accounts are not kept secured. Even the certain government app and some other Zoom app and all, they will take that one, and even our personal documents and all will go. Then be wary of cyberbullying by people who may exploit social network accounts. Fake informations through fake accounts are their primary tactic. That is also one type of cyber crime. Then misuse of illegal sale of the written literature. We cannot take any others. One, software, photos, videos, music, etc. of others by obtaining from the internet is called as piracy. Okay, that's also coming under the cyber crime only. And you know, delegatory messages, spreading vulgar pictures, inflammatory statements and all, it is all coming under the cyber crime. The police will arrest the people. Exchange of information, media like email, Facebook, WhatsApp, very fast we are doing. That is all accountable, and these personal phone numbers and all automatically spread and thereby reaches the unwanted persons, and they will misuse that number. Therefore, if unnecessary call and all coming means unknown number and all, please don't attempt it and don't share any details to them. Okay, if these cases are there, these are the points you have to be careful. If anything is happening like this, we can complain to the cyber crime unit. Each police department is there. Cyber crime experts collect the details, investigate the cyber crime, and thereby find the criminal with the help of internet only. With the help of internet only, the criminal they will arrest. Okay. And one IT Act is there, that is IT Act 2000. It came and it is amended in 2008. According to this, if it is proved, they will get 3 years of imprisonment and fine up to 5 lakh is possible. According to the IT Act 2000, filling the blanks, it is there. Okay, with this we are completing this internet, your friend and my friend, and cyber crime. And we are going to, in this chapter we learned so many things, okay, about that social health, what are the factors affecting, what are what is selfie side, and many problems we learned in this chapter, and stress and all, cybercrime and all. Now due to all these things we are coming under the new topic. Okay, I see that is new topic, stress management. Okay, look at the picture. Stress management in your life very important even this period. Okay, especially in Mumbai people, stress is otherwise also very high nowadays. During this lockdown we have more stress. Okay, and always will be in different forms of different people. It is individual difference is there. Some person is very strong, some person are not strong enough. Okay, and that is their mental status, depend upon their thought process, depend upon the positive thoughts or the negative thoughts. So see, first one is meditation, deep breath you have to do during the school assemblies and all. We are practicing that. Okay, laughing exercise, another one, that is laughter club is there nowadays, they started. That is especially what this our people above 60 years and all, they are laughter club, they are given, they are loudly, they will laugh together and they will become very close friends also. They will remove the stress from their body. Then exercise, regular exercise, even inside our home we can do yoga. Next one, okay, and nature, we have it too, time in nature, nature watching, bird watching. Okay, listen the music. Prioritize your task. How? Eat good food. Okay, reduce the caffeine and all, but you have to eat the fresh and homemade food, not the junk food. Okay, your favorite, please avoid that. And then connect with socially, connect socially, don't be alone. Okay, connect socially, have friendship, good clubs, even in the church activity or temple activity or religious activity, prayer. Sleep well. Okay, and sleep well, do yoga and eat good food. All this will help us to overcome this stress. Meditation helps to improve the ability of concentration daily. 5 minutes at least to try. Already in our value education classes and all we taught you. Please do that with your family members, especially with your parents and your sister, brother and all together now. And concentration in your studies, deliberate inculcation of characters like management, planning of our own duties, and decision power is nothing but cultivating the socially strong and ideal personality. Okay, all these things come together, then you will get an ideal personality. Stress management. Sometimes see, some people, everyone cannot manage our stress. Many of us are managing, but however, if those are not successful due to certain reasons, it leads some more serious problems like depression and frustration. Okay, you know, our school also we have counselor, or even we have some problem teachers or students where we will go to counselor. Okay, and we will share our problem to her and she will listen very carefully. Okay, and medical advice, counseling and psychotherapy are available for such persons. Don't keep your problems with yourself. Please share with a particular person who can help you or not guide you. Not help should come from within. We have to take our own solution. Okay, otherwise we have to think about how can we, if it is not at all possible, we have to go to various what people are there providing help, by helping hands are there. Therefore, first and foremost, never think that you are alone in your battle against depression. There are people who can help. Your family members, teachers, all are there. Medical advice, counseling and psychotherapy are examples. Many NGOs also provided a helping hand. Few of them are Unified Movement Against Tobacco, Salam Mumbai Foundation, the Banyan Mental Health Foundation, Ashra. There are several government schemes which are also available. Phone numbers, helplines are published in the newspaper before exam, before the result day and all. See the newspaper, Times of India and all, you can see so many helpline numbers. on the internet which provide with the proper guidance. You can call. Always some people will be there to attend that call, and definitely they will help you. Okay, in your book one counseling session diagram is there, picture is there, that is also can come, picture based questions can come. Okay, and even this unified movement against tobacco, 45 different well-known organizations like WHO, Tata Trust are there, and even Salam Mumbai Foundation, more than 200 schools of Mumbai and 1400 schools of Maharashtra are take part in that, and they are giving the awareness against what the tobacco consuming and all. Okay, organization runs program for this various schools. And with that one, this lesson is completed. And see, the fill in the blanks is there, children, for you. Fill in the blanks there. That fill in the blanks is for you. First one is laughter club is remedy to drive away stress. Okay. Second one is, this is not there in this video, just write down stress, first answer. Second one, alcohol consumption. Alcohol consumption mainly affects nervous system. The Act, IT Act 2000 is to curb the cyber crime. Then see this picture. You love this. Okay, how to solve. First question I am reading. Continuous consumption of alcoholic and tobacco materials. First one is continuous consumption of alcohol. Solve the following crossword. Okay, first one, addiction, that is last year's question. Okay, consumption. Second question, this app may cause the cyber crimes, that is cyber crime. Second one, the answer is what? Facebook. Please note down there, Facebook. Third one, a remedy to resolve stress. Okay, a remedy to resolve stress. Third one, singing, dancing. Which one you like, you write. My children all like singing and dancing, Carmelites. The next one is requirements for stress-free life. Fourth one, requirements for stress-free life. Fourth one, good food. Okay, not junk food, good food. Write down there, good food. Question, requirement for stress-free life, that is good food. Then next one is various factors affect dash health, social health, art of preparing food items, cooking. Okay, that everyone knows that one mother is doing every day in the kitchen, cooking. Okay, this may come for all 1 mark, 2 marks or 3 marks question completed. Now we are going to do the next question. What will you do? Why? You are spending more time in internet, mobile games, phone. That is in the second lecture we discuss this. Be child of your neighbor is addicted to tobacco chewing. This year's question, board exam. Your sister has become incommunicative. She prefers to remain alone. That is also this year's question. Do you have to use free space around your home for good purpose? Okay, this is all your personal opinion questions, your reflection you have to write. Your friend has developed the hobby of snapping selfies. That is also this year's. That is BCE question for 3 marks came for this year. Your brother studying in 12th has developed the stress. Okay, mostly that exam stress is there, how study matter and all. Therefore, how personal opinion you can give in this. Okay, first one, it will affect the health, it will affect our concentration and all. Second one, child neighbor addicted, it causes cancer. Next one, incommunicative, what to talk to her, don't allow her to sit alone, take you to her a counselor. Okay, you have used free space and your home for good purpose. Okay, for your, that is for your physical health, you can use for playing badminton and all. Your friend has developed hobby for snapping selfies. Definitely it's a problem, it will leads to accident. The main point is that. Okay, Then your brother studying 12th has developed the stress how can we remove? Meditation, be friend, talk to him and give good food, okay, and what's the problem, and make a timetable how to overcome the stress, okay, go out for at least half an hour to play. All these are your opinion, this is my points, you can write your own points later in your notebook. Then what type of seventh question, what type of changes occurs in a home having chronically ill old person? How will you help to maintain the good atmosphere at home? See, as a your grandchildren, you can help your mama papa to help or feed or just giving cleaning the body and all, you can help and talk to them compassionately, love them, give the food. That way you can help your parents as well as even your all that relative or your grandparents will love you. That is our duty. This also an open-ended question, okay, and try to write a paragraph on this also. Thank you, this lesson is completed. For next class we can see. Thank you, take care.